And in just a few while, you will definitely know why PSLV is the workhorse of ISRO and how ISRO is a definite global player when it comes to launching satellites. And that is why we are at Indian Space Research Organization's Launchpad SLP. That is the second launchpad behind us, from where you will see PSLV-X L launching along with two satellites, a twin satellite system for European Space Agency. And anytime behind us, you could hear that rumble and the smoke trail as the beautiful rocket leaves past from here, carrying 550 kilo weight satellites from second launch pad. And there you have that. That is the PSLV, the bright plume that is being left behind. That is a rocket, and here you hear the rumble. PSLV XL, there it is, and that's the one that is carrying the European Space Agency's satellites. They're called as the Proba 3. It's a twin satellite system. One is called as the Occulter spacecraft, and the other one is a Coronagraph spacecraft. And this is something by which it's an in-orbit demonstration system by which humans will prove that they are now capable of creating an artificial eclipse to study the corona, the outer layer of the sun, the brightest object in the solar system. And why? Because the corona alone has the habit of actually influencing climate conditions on Earth, and that is why this is a very important research material that's being sent over there. In fact, these two satellites will be actually flying at a speed of 150 meters distance, and that is why precision is very important, because the actual precision is only for a millimeter from to right or left. That's the precision that is required. In fact, this particular satellite was to be launched yesterday. It was delayed by 24 hours due to certain anomalies. We were told that it could be due to a propulsion system issue that was rectified through software itself, and now it has been launched. That's the PSLV XL, and this PSLV, the four-stage rocket, is supposed to take this to 1,125 kilometers. That's where the satellite will be ejected, and the actual frame could go up to 1,200 kilometers as well. And from there, the satellites will be ejected, and from there, European Space Agency will take control of it and will start its initiation. In fact, the satellite's life is expected to be 5 years, and the actual kind of distance through which it can revolve around the Earth could be 600 kilometers distance to 60,000 kilometers, because they want the influence of Earth's gravity and any kind of issue not to hinder with the satellite's sensors. And that's the reason it is being it'll have research over there. In fact, the 19 hours it'll actually make a complete circle, of which 6 hours it will actually create an artificial eclipse. How it will be done? The occulter will be in front, actually blocking the light from the sun that falls on the coronagraph. That's a proper sensor and kind of telescope, everything on the coronagraph spacecraft, and that will actually study. And what the occulter will do is that it will completely block the light coming from the sun, forming a nice beautiful rim that will look like something called as a diamond ring effect, and through which you can actually see how the solar flares are ejected and what kind of path it takes. And that will be not just solar flares, many things that is happening on the corona that will be studied, because this is very important to understand about the weather pattern on Earth for future communication purposes. And that is why this actual in-orbit demonstration system is very much essential, and our own PSLV XL is the one that has taken it up to the space. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.